Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by placing the image where Excel can read it. Open Excel with the data ribbon visible. Make sure you're on Microsoft 365 or a build that supports from picture. Once done, save the photo as PNG or JPG at a high resolution so details survive OCR. Then go to Data, choose from Picture, and pick Picture from File. This launches Excel's image import tool that performs optical character recognition and prepares the image for conversion into cells. After import, Excel shows a review pane with detected text and a preview of the table. You must inspect each row and column. OCR makes mistakes with fonts, skew, or merged cells. Correct entries inline, split combine cells, and adjust column headings so the structure matches your spreadsheet. If Excel suggests table detection, accept it only after verifying columns align. Once satisfied, click Insert and Excel will write the corrected table directly into the current sheet. Finish by fixing formats and validating accuracy. Select imported ranges and set number formats, dates, and percentages explicitly. This prevents subtle errors. If the OCR output was poor, retake the picture with even lighting, perpendicular alignment, and higher DPI, then re-import. For stubborn structure problems, copy the data into Power Query or use text to columns to split fields reliably. One key troubleshooting tip: if many characters are wrong, a fresher, straightened, higher resolution image almost always fixes OCR errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.